It's the real, y'all.
Hi guys, so today's video is going to be about this Malaysian 28/30 inches bundles that I made into a wig. This hair is from Beauty Forever. Yeah, so this is the first time I've received these people. Oh, okay. So literally, I'm trying to record this video and everyone wants to be in their garden looking up at me. Like, I really don't get it. Okay, so now I have to close the windows and it's so freaking hot. But anyways, so yeah, this video is going to be like a quick review slash how I style my wig. Okay, so basically the hair came in this box. Don't wash my nails. I went on holiday and they broke and I had to take this one off. But I'm going to get them done. Furthermore, so the hair came in this box, yeah. And I got 3 bundles. I got a 28, I got a 26, and I got another 26, and the frontal was 18 inches I believe. So yeah, the hair came in that box. The shipping was very quick, so from the time they emailed me saying they sent out the hair, I received the hair like literally 2-3 days later, so that's pretty quick. In regards to the customer service, they're really friendly, they're really nice. They email back very fast, so it's not like you're waiting for responses. Like, you get your email back really quickly. Yeah, it's so fucking hot. Yeah, this broke, by the way. I'm still gonna use it. It was actually for my friend, and then I went in the bag and I realized it was broke. So I'm just, yeah. So yeah, yeah, so this hair is so nice. Like, usually my hair used to be this color about 2-3 years ago, and I decided to go for like a ginger kind of blondish look. If you've seen my other videos, you know what color my hair is. So like, wearing this color hair was kind of weird for me because I'm not used to my hair being this dark. So I need to get used to it. I'm not really used to it right now. I feel like I look kind of weird. But yeah, so yeah, that's the only problem. Like, the hair is really dark, and that's not really a problem, it's just my preference. So I'd say the hair is like a natural kind of brown black, but I think it's a bit too dark for me, for my preference. So I'd probably dye it. So I'm probably gonna dye it soon, like a little bit light brown, maybe gingerish. But that's only my preference. Like, if you like black hair, then this would be perfect. You won't have to do any alterations to the hair. Alterations or alterations? I don't even know. Wow. The hair itself is really soft. Like, I was surprised. Like, I've never had curly bundles before, so like, when I saw this hair I was like, oh my god, because this is literally how my natural hair is, just a little bit looser curls, and the curl definition is so soft, so smooth. It's just like the perfect curl pattern. I'd say that this hair would last quite a long time. If you make it into a wig especially, it will last a very long time, because the hair is so soft, like, and it doesn't shed at all. Even though it is curly hair, like, curly hair tends to get very matted very quickly, I feel like this hair would last quite a long time, especially in a wig like it is now. The only thing I would change is that I would have got, or prefer to have received, a longer frontal, because the frontal is like a hair and then the rest of the hair is like down there, so it's not really, it doesn't really blend in together. But yeah, I might cut the rest, I might cut it up to here so it looks a little bit more blendy, if you get what I mean. So the first thing I'm going to do, because I have like, my hair is naturally curly anyways, I have lots of like products and I just generally like know what to do with my texture hair. So I've got this bottle, spray bottle filled with water, and I'm just going to spray it. And this is dark. This is just like straight parts because of the got to be that I've used. So I just usually take any leave-in conditioner, curl cream, because I find that that's best for my hair texture. So I'm using curly hair requires a lot of product, so yeah, I'm just gonna put that through at the top as well. And then just work that through. This part here that got stuck in the got to be, I'm going to try and curl it with my hand. Okay, so that's basically all I do to style this wig. So I just spritz it with some water, I put some leave-in conditioner inside, and yeah, so check out my Instagram, the link will be down below. If you guys like this hair, make sure to go and visit Beauty Forever, the Instagram. Their details are going to be down below, and also check out my wig making video, which will be down below and tagged also.